Alright everyone, welcome back to this particular video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to take trades on Bybit and how to literally manage them. There are basically two ways you can trade on Bybit. The first way is to actually use the Bybit exchange platform and take your trades, manage, and also exit on all your trades. And the second way is by using MT5. Bybit has integrated MT5 as part of their trading platforms, which means that you can use Bybit as a broker on MT5 to take trades. A typical example is this. This is Bybit on MT5. You can see Dogecoin USDT. And you can literally see Bybit right here as the broker I am using. So I'm going to start by showing you how to trade on Bybit exchange platform, and then in the next video I will show you how to trade on MT5 with Bybit. So for those of you who don't have a Bybit account, all you have to do is to use the link in the description of this video and get your Bybit account. If you actually register with my link and send me the user ID, I will send you the link to join my free Telegram community if I confirm that you registered with my link. Then right here, you're going to be part of this community, and I will be sending you signals of the trades I will be taking, and I will teach you how to literally do more on Bybit. So guys, let's go back into the video. For those of you who may not be able to access the web page, as you can see right here, because some countries may not be able to access it. Nigeria is one of it. You may not be able to have access to the web page, so you can just go ahead and download a user-friendly VPN. Just get access to the web platform, and there are basically two ways you can do it. You can either use the web platform or you can use the app. This is the app. You can literally see it. On the app, you don't need VPN, but on the web platform, you need a VPN. So let's go back to explaining everything. I'm going to start by explaining it on the web platform, and then I'll also mix it alongside the app. You can have the app on your desktop. Just use a VPN, download it, install it on both your Mac OS and Windows computer. So right here is it. I'm not going to go into so many things. Straight to the point is to come to where you see trades. Can you see trades? Right here. And scroll down to where you see futures. Futures trading is what we are going to be practicing. Nothing else, nothing less. Click on futures. Once you click on futures, this is what you're going to see. This is how it looks like. Isn't it beautiful? Now, how to do it on the app is also similar. The same way, if you're using the app, is straightforward. This is the app. You come to where you see trades down here. Click on trades, and then you come right here to where your trading activities are. So this is a bit different, but then is almost the same thing that you are seeing. So right here is the app, and then this one. This is the web platform. I'm going to show you everything and explain in detail, but then I'm going to start by explaining how the chart looks like, what is the meaning of all these numbers, and then I'll tell you what these are. And I'll also tell you how to manage all the activities that are here, how to maximize the trade opportunities you have, how to take trades, and then do it accordingly. So I'm going to stop this recording here, and then in the next part, I'll go into the MT5. Then I'll continue by explaining how you can literally take trades on this particular platform, as well as taking it on this particular aspect of the Bybit. This is just the app, and that particular one is the web platform. It's the same thing, and I'm sure it is not difficult for all of you to understand. So watch the next video, and then we continue.